Here's Luna, exploring her new home. Oh. Hi, sweet girl.
She looks nice on the terracotta.
Oh, that looks like something fun to chew, doesn't it?
Well, she's eating, so she can't be that scared. Luna, what did you do? God.
There you go. Climb up it. Come on. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.